Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company CurlsCurls, and today I am going to be showing you the Glory Lora wig. This one is in the length 18 inches. I also have a medium cap side. This unit comes with your 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, also has an elastic band, and you also get that nice parting space area. It does come with bleached knots and also a pre-plucked hairline. Ahead and wash my unit off of camera. I use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. That is what that hairline is looking like. And y'all, this color is so pretty. This is their brown ombre, and the hair texture on this is a 3B3C. Very easy to work with. I had no issues with washing and conditioning this unit. I am going to be, however, getting these curls together, and I'm going to be going in with my Design Essentials mousse. Going to place that around the hairline area and then begin to work this into the curls. Also taking my brush to run through the curls, making sure there are no tangles going on, and I'm also wanting to make sure that each strand gets the product on it right. After I am done doing that, I'm going to go in the front and just take out a little bit of hairs out. Nothing too dramatic, but I'm going to cut them and then just pre-style them on the mannequin, so once I put it on my head, it can already be in place. This hair does soak up the product pretty good, so you're not going to have to worry about any of that residue left over from the mousse. And you can see it's already starting to dry down some, so I'm just going to let this sit on my mannequin head overnight. Hair is now fully dried on the mannequin. Y'all, look at that parting space, look at the hairline. It looks good. And also check out these curls. Yes, they still look wet, but I promise y'all they are 100% dry. Once I pick them out, you'll see what it looks like. Like I stated, this is a medium cap size, but it still fit me really good. I also have my adjustable strap tightened, and I also have the elastic band tightened up, just making sure to get everything into place. As you guys can see, I did go for a middle part, but I am going to work on cutting off this lace. I did have to cut a little bit of lace off on the side by my ear, but it wasn't too much. Gonna be going in with my Got to Be High Insta Hole spray. This gives a great hole without causing too much flakiness. I'm just gonna spray that on top of the lace, and then I'm gonna use my blow dryer to speed up the process. Of course, all the products that I am using in today's video can be found down below in the description area. Also going to be taking the same spray, and I'm going to be putting it on my brush, and I'm just going to swoop that hair into place. Even though I pre-molded this on the mannequin head, I just wanted to stick down a little bit more, so that's what I'm doing, is just placing it on. And as you guys can see, everything is coming together already, but I definitely want this unit to marinate a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with my elastic band. I'm going to place that around the hairline, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to work on fluffing up this hair. Before I work on fluffing up the hair, I'm gonna already start putting my powder into the parting space just to open it up a little bit more and make it seem brighter. And then I'm gonna go in with my Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm gonna work on fluffing up this hair. This hair definitely has more of a looser curl pattern. I'm not gonna fluff it up and go crazy too much. Definitely wanna put some serum towards the ends of this hair. I did not notice a lot of frizziness nor flyaways, so that's really good. I feel like that mousse controlled it. but the more you fluff, the bigger it is going to get. See me using my rat tail comb, I just wanted to fluff up the root area because it was laying pretty flat and I wanted a little bit more volume in it. And I'm also going to go around the front of the hairline after I take off the band, just to kind of fluff everything up a little bit, just move all the hair into place. Just gonna take a little bit of my wax stick and smooth everything out with the brush. I don't want to put any more spray because I don't want it to get crusty and overdo it. And I'm going to just place a little bit of that powder into the hairline, and this is the final look. I am loving the way that these curls have formed together, and they did a really good job with blending it in. Make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts on this unit, and you can also see what it looks like straightened out on one side. Unstyling this unit. This is Glory Lora once again from CurlsCurls. You guys know I love me some CurlsCurls. I love the hair textures. They are definitely improving when it comes to the lace and also how realistic the hairline and the parting space looks. Like, I have no complaints when it comes to that. I didn't have to go in and do any bleaching, which I am happy about. However, I did go in and wash my hair. I used my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. Now, the texture on this is the natural curly. This is their 3B to 3C texture. As you guys can see, it is a little bit more looser than the kinky curly textures that I have reviewed from this company before. And it feels very lightweight. This one is 18 inches and it's 150% in density, which I feel like the density is perfect. It's not too much, but it's not thin either. Also, if you want a frontal look, but you do not want to worry about a whole bunch of parting space because you know you're not going to utilize it, then they do also offer this in a T-part. You guys know we will be approaching spring soon, so I love the ombre colors for the spring and summertime. Now, if you want to wear this all year long, you definitely can, but of course I feel like it's just going to pop a little bit more. Did fluff this out using my Sleek and Shine serum. Honestly, I don't notice a lot of frizziness. I had to give a little bit more, you know, TLC towards the ends of this unit, but for the most part, there's not a lot of frizziness. It's laying down really well. I did not have to go in with my hot comb, which I am happy about. And just look at this parting space and look at this hairline. Yes, I am loving the way that looks. I did pull out my Old Faithful, which is the Got To Be High Insta Hold Spray to lay this down. I only sprayed a little bit because a little bit is needed. You don't need a lot of that product. And you guys can see how well it laid down. I did put my melt band on top of the lace also, just to make sure that it marinated on in. And then I added a little bit of my lace powder. I added a lighter color into the parting space and just a tiny bit darker around the hairline area, but it still looked good. As soon as I took off the melt band, you could tell it was going to blend in well. So lace is very durable, but it's soft enough to where it is going to blend in really well to your skin. Now, I love the length on this unit. Of course, it is a little bit shorter because curly hair does shrink up, but I feel like 18 inches is definitely manageable. I also feel like this is not going to take too much to manage. Yes, you are going to have to refresh it. It's curly hair. It is going to need some maintenance, but this one feels very lightweight on my head. If you don't want to just part this in the middle part, you can definitely move the parting space around. You're not just stuck with the middle, but when it comes to my curly hair, especially if I feel like it's going to be too big, I like to just put it in the middle part because I don't want to worry about too much hair in my face. Not only am I showing you guys what this looks like as a wash and go, I am going to go in and straighten one side of this unit so you guys can see exactly what that looks like. Now, I usually don't like to do that, but I want to see what this texture is going to look like if you straighten it out. I think that this unit is very cute. If you aren't a fan of this color, you can always just go for the natural color. You can never go wrong with a natural color. Also, let me know what you guys think about the straight side. Are you feeling it? Would you go in and straighten your curly units, or do you like to just leave your curly units alone? If you are feeling this unit, I am gonna make sure to leave all the links down below. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.